Okay, I'm going to give Gary a serve, and he's going to attack off the serve with a drop volley or a drop or an attacking volley. His goal is to hit it right above the 10, either real soft so it just comes out as a winning drop shot, or he's going to attack the neck. So this is a really good serve return to have in your arsenal. Countless times your opponent's not ready for an attacking volley return or a drop. So if you do it every time, they might be ready for it. So I'm going to serve to Gary's forehand, and he's going to go right at that corner. So Gary just demonstrated a hard attacking volley, and on that one a soft drop shot. Okay, now that's the risk you always run, is tinning a ball when you go for a winner. That's a tough shot. Now, however, if the, in squash, that's a great serve return. He got it in the neck. In squash, the return can be a really game changer because I can't do too much with the serve. That's a great shot, Gary. So watch how he prepares. He gets the racket ready. Okay, so in this game of squash, having a good serve return is really an incredibly great skill. So Gary did a great demonstration, and if you practice this shot, you'll see a marked improvement in your results.